time for the final problem initials of Chinese, the Z and the C. It's also a great opportunity to cover the final fake I's of the language too. So as you can see here, we've covered the top four, the ZHI, the CHI, the SHI, and the RI. So let's also, at the same time as mastering the Z and the C, cover the ZI, CI, and SI. So first, ZI and CI. They share the same tongue position, and that's up here behind the top teeth, sort of between the top teeth and the gum there. So let's try the Z or ZI in Chinese. Remember, it's basically the same thing because the I is fake in this situation, right? So it's just essentially an initial by itself. The ZI, I want you to imagine that it's like saying the word kids, just the Z bit of kids. But instead of saying the whole word just like kids, I want you to say it as two syllables. Kids, like that. Kids. You notice that your tongue is like touching the top of your gum, like sort of behind your teeth there. It's building up the pressure. Kids. So you're building up the pressure there and then it releases. Now we can try and pronounce a Chinese word here, the word for Chinese character. han-ZEE in 2/4 tones. han-ZEE, or you could just say 字, 字. So let's do a quick checklist here. Teeth are together. Your tongue makes contact with your top teeth or just your top gum, and it builds up the pressure. 字, and then releases like that. So again, let's just say this ZI sound the way it should be said. 字. We don't want to say z. We want to say z. Sudden and explosive. So if you don't get that straight away, don't worry, we're going to practice this a bunch more in the coming videos.